Hello, are you ready to make your poultry feed? Do you want organic poultry feed that will grow your chicken within a short period of time without any health issue? Here, we produce different poultry and livestock feed: broilers, noilers, turkey, geese, guinea fowl, duck, and all the feathered birds. We produce feed for rabbit, goat, guinea pig, cow, sheep, cattle, and others. Any type of feed you need, we have all the raw materials for you here. Bring your order today, let's process it. You only pay for the raw materials while we process the feed for you. If you don't have any formula, we develop a solid commercial feed formula for you that will give you amazing results within a short period of time. Bring your order right now. We are waiting for you. We are here always for you. We have all the equipment, all the materials for you to produce affordable and cost-effective poultry feed for you. We are waiting for you right now. You can watch and see how we do it in the background. Watch, like this video, share it to reach more farmers, and most especially those that need organic poultry feed that will not give you any stress, feed that will not give you any health issue in your poultry farming. You will not spend much on medications because it's organic. It is only synthetic feed that gives a lot of health issues, a lot of breakdowns in their health and all that things. You start spending money on medications and others. Here we give you the best and within your limit. We develop formula that will suit you. Any amount of money you have, we can develop formula for you. Remember that what we are preparing is poultry feed meal. Just like you, if you want to cook soup in your house, any amount of money you have, you can use it to cook soup. The only thing that differentiates is the good quality cook and the materials you use in cooking the soup. So here we'll give you the best amazing formula that will give you the best result within a short period of time. It is tailored to suit your own demand. It is not blend down boutique where they manufacture the feed you for every poultry. They call it livestock animal feed. Every animal feed is there. Goat there, sheep there, cattle there. But this one we tailor it to that your poultry need. Do you want noilers? We develop formula for noiler for you. Do you want turkey formula? We develop turkey formula for me and give you the product, the raw material that will give you the best result within that period of time. Remember that turkey feed is different from ordinary chicken. So you can't use turkey feed to feed chicken. You can't use chicken feed to feed turkey. It's not done. But if you go to the market, all is animal feed. But here we give you specific feed for that particular bird you need. Do you want broilers? We give you broiler feed. Do you want turkey? We give you turkey feed. Geese, we give you geese feed. Goat, we give you goat feed. Rabbit, we give you rabbit feed. Anything you need, we develop the formula for you and give you the best result. Bring it now. We are waiting for you. Thank you. Share this video to reach more farmers and like this video. Drop a comment. If you have any requests, drop it in the comment section. I will guide you on how to make your request.
Yeah, no problem. Yes, roll down.
Here, the first stage in feed formulation or feed processing is formulating the feed. The feed formulation is the first process. After the feed formulation, the next thing is to go to the factory with your feed formula. Here you can see that we are now measuring the raw materials according to the feed formula as developed. So here we are scaling each of the materials to match with the feed formula we have already developed. This is the process. As we are measuring it, others are processing. You can see the feed processing right now. This is the grinding and crushing section, processing the feed at once, all simultaneously. This feed belongs to a customer all the way from Delta State. You can see how far this feed is going. So this is a very standard both grower, finisher and super starter. Over 2 tons of feed we are processing right now. Today alone we have processed more than 10 tons of feed going to different states: Cross River State, Niger State, and Eastern States, Port Harcourt. So you can come along with your own order. We will make a very good feed formula for you, process it and send it to you. We have drivers that will carry your feed to your location. So you can see each of this bag here is 50 kg. We weigh it 50 kg so that it will be easier for the load to be conveyed to far distant states. Each of these are 50 kg. You can see I'm also working with the boys at the same time. We're all working together. Everybody's working here. No big man in the factory. Everybody works together to achieve the goal. Here we are scaling and processing at the same time. All these ones are 50 kg each. This feed is going all the way to Delta State. To be precise. So if you bring your own order, wherever you are, we locate you, send their feed to you also. All these people doesn't know us. It's through this our platform here. And based on the online integrity we have already built. So, and we are delivering to them on timely interval. We have all the raw materials. All you are seeing here are different raw materials. Both pancake cake, soybean meal, soybean cake, yellow corn, white corn, fish meal, clupid, any tilapia, any type of imported fish meal. We have all of them here. You only pay for the raw materials while we produce the feed for you. We develop the formula for you also. We pay for the raw materials. We don't even charge you money for this. We don't charge you money for the development of the formula. We give you a very standard formula. Any formula you need cheapest feed formula we give you. Remember that the cheaper the formula, the cheaper the feed also. We want standard formula we give you, and we produce it according to the time interval and deliver to you also to your different locations. So bring your order right now to give you the best results you need.
na guy. Why you do like this now? No, you go start using silver polo. Okay, let's really have a little very. This can go fall. We have to do a very. Just answer ya. Just help her.
If you like this video, share this video to reach more farmers, give it a thumb up, and drop your comments on the comment section. Anything you think about this video, drop it on the comment section. Thank you for watching. For now, bye.